Do not lend to SME or corporate without considering these five factors. Number one, do not underestimate the technical disruptions that can affect the borrower's business because it's the world of artificial intelligence. Changes are happening left and right, so consider this. Number two, don't ignore ESG factors, that is environmental, social and governance factors which can have impact on the long-term sustainability and reputation of the business. Number three, do not overlook the impact of seasonality on the business because there are some business which will have peak season, non-peak season, and they will have impact on their routine operations. Number four, do not overestimate the growth potential. As a banker, you got to be conservative, so do not overestimate. Number five, do not underestimate the importance of the management and governance when it comes to assessment of credit risk. Wish to learn more? Follow this channel.